So I should go the other side in the first place.
I couldn't get the other side. Here you go, go on Morgana. There you go, there's Broody in. So we have got a little something in our fields. Mum's been out here for ages. Hey sheepdog. And I don't know how she's not noticed. She must be blind as a bat. There is some escaped sheep over there walking around in the field.
How have they escaped?
I don't know, we'll have to find out they got in here. Then we'll have to send them back across.
That's what you want them to do.
So they're heading towards hopefully where they came in. Looks like they ain't going to be able to get back through wherever they did. Oh, they're going to try it.
Through, wait.
No.
No, that's not how they got in. Right. Now we've got a problem.
So they can't get through where they obviously came in. So now they're going to have to go out and in, so...
What? Go and close that.
Middle. Yeah, I'll go close middle. They're definitely not going to be able to get back over. They're not going to get back through. It's going to hurt itself if you ain't careful. Oh, I don't know. Has it gone through? Yeah, they're through.
Are they through the other side?
I'm going to check. I'm going to check. It looks like they are.
Where are they? Right, someone needs to walk up the other side field. Are they out?
Yeah, they're through.
Right, where did they go over the other side of that field?
Well, his fencing's bad in that little corner. So they've come through here, gone through no man's land, and then there, look at his fencing there, it's down. There's one further down in the hedgerow somewhere, so he needs to get out as well. Okay, so we're gonna have to go in the field because they've got one stuck. Oh yeah, he's stuck a good one on their fence line. He's stuck on fence line. Look at them all. So there's one stuck here in the fence line. He's moving. Come on, Dad. Well, you were following. You were following. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Oh, it's going to hurt itself, isn't it? I'm sending it up. It needs to go further up. You're going to scare him, just step back.
Further up.
Further up, probably.
Have you got Day's number?
Right, what I have to do is...
Have you got Day's number?
No, I haven't. What we have to do is try and get him through that fence our way. Carly?
Yeah.
Can you come up, can you make an opening there to get him through? Get her through. She's up here.
Signal.
Why don't you go knock on their door?
Yeah, I might do that, but she's out.
How did you get down so far, you dopey mare?
There isn't an opening.
Alright, calm down.
There isn't an opening, so it's gone through the middle.
Calm down. Can you get through to that Carly or not? I can get a brishin up through to it. Right, come back away, the fence up. Right.
Just hold on, his head, he's got his head back through. He's got his head back through. Stop.
Come here, come here, come here.
You have to lift the fence, haven't we?
Come on, he's going to go through the fence. Come here, come here. Come on, come on, calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Do you want to lift fence? Do you think we can lift it?
Down. Come down. Here, come on. Go on. Go on, underneath.
So here's how they got in. Fencing's tipped over. It's not really in the ground that well. It's all the way along. Yeah.
That's where they're going through. There.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where they're going
Oh yeah.
there.
The whole thing.
The whole fence is gone. The whole fence is gone. It's all gone.
They've been right up in here for ages.
So that's the sheep dealt with. But have a look, they're quite nice, aren't they? Lovely sheep. They like to breed quite a few different ones. They breed in different lines. We went and saw them when they're doing their lambing. Look at them all on the move. Lovely sheep. So delivery has arrived. Field roller. So this is one you can put water in, yeah?
Yeah.
How'd you put it in?
Under the bungs on.
I ain't got a clue. Where? Oh, on the side there.
Yeah, it's bungs on the side.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's bungs on the side.
Dad's been wanting a roller since we came here. And he found one. And another bale trailer. Yeah, so another one of Dad's lovely scrap ideas to repair. So what do you reckon on that then? Does need a bit of work like the other trailers, but he'll do something with it. Side's a little bit. Oh.
This has got the barrel racks on it.
Yeah, I like the other one. Oh, the other one had a rear barrel rack, didn't it?
Yeah,
Didn't we take that off?
I've got that.
Yeah, we got the rear one on the other bale trailer, but I like this. Not bad. Shame it's missing the side. You're going to put another side on it, this side?
Yeah.
You put another side on it, if you can get one. Huh?
Yeah.
Another side on it.
Need to free off the wheels. Tires are.
Alright, so here's the walk around on the Ford 7.6 painted. What do you reckon? We'll have a good look around it. So I reckon he's done a good job on that. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. So hope you guys are liking that. That is looking really nice. So when we got it, she'd lost a lot of the blue paint. It was back to nearly bare metal. So it was one of the priorities for Dad. You'll see in some of the videos we've had water leak issue resolved. That's been done. I don't know what he's done. I haven't spoken to him about it, but that is not a problem now. So yeah, she's lovely, isn't she? She's nice. Let's go and step inside. Oh. So it's got a little bit of rot starting to show, but in all honesty, it is not that bad. I'll tell you what, it looks a lot better than my Massey. Good one, right? We have been getting a lot of harvest out of here. So the potatoes are done. You get lots of cauliflowers, runner beans, cabbage. It's all coming out. Lettuce. There's cucumbers growing there. There's carrots. There's, you can see the carrot tops there. Onions. We've got parsnips over there, but they're going to be obviously later in the year when the frost. I think you have to wait for the frost to hit. Don't know if I got that wrong. Correct me. Oh, sweet corn as well. There's sweet corn there. And also we've been selling a lot of stuff on the side of the road. So we've set up a little sort of like an honesty box thing, and people are buying. We actually ran out of eggs. Eggs are all gone. So now we need to think more chickens. Worth getting more. We don't really make much money out of the eggs anyway. It's just providing a service. So we could get some more chickens, yeah. Anyway guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. Watching and take care.